Hello, this is MD Haq. I'm back with some of the coding and one blog. So where you can solve any kind of mathematics problem using this app. So if you want, you can write this code and then you can deploy your own app and build your own app, and then you know you can give it to your child to solve the any kind of mathematical problem. So here I have used first API, and for the backend and front end, I have used the Streamlit, and then you know OpenAI, ChatGPT 3.5 I have used. And so now here is the code. You can check out my code on my GitHub repository. From there you can clone the code and you can use the code easily. And here I'll be showing in this video, how to run the front end and back end, and then I'll give you some example of solving the, any kind of mathematics you can solve, how you can solve that using this particular small app. So there are a very less number of code I have written, and then you can easily clone the code and you can use it. Okay, so let me run this code and then show you how exactly it's going to run the exactly it's going to work. So let me open the git bash, as I always use the git bash as a terminal. So that's your choice which one you want to use. Okay, so now here I'll be running the you know backend cd. So I have inside the maths, I have the code. Inside the backend there is a backend code. Everything has been given there in my blog. If you read the blog and then watch the video and clone the code, then you can easily build this app small. So now I'm going to run this, you know, unicorn main app. Good. Okay, before that, their requirement.txt, you have to be installed all this, and then requirement.txt here also. So for that, better. I am removing this, and then let me show you the requirement.txt, how to install like Python hyphen m, sorry, hyphen m, then you can, hyphen, sorry, Python install hyphen r, then you can use the requirement.txt. So this is the same way here also. If you go to the codes and then cd methods, here is front end. So inside that same way, you can write Python install hyphen r, then requirement.txt. So I have already installed, so I'm not going to install it again. So here for the front end, you need Streamlit and requests. And for the back end, you need FastAPI, UVcorn, OpenAI, and Python.env. As I have used the env here, where I have passed the, OpenAI key. Okay. Here another thing you have to do. So before running the code, so so here is the, all the requirement.txt has been given there that you can install for the front end. Now here, I'm going to do one thing, cd dot dot. I'm going back because my VNV is not activated, so I have to activate that one. So for the activation of the VNV source, then we go to VNV type scripts and then activate. So now my VNV is activated. The same way in the front end also I have to do the same thing, source. Let me go to the AI folder. So AI directory, I am here now. Source, VNV, script, activate. So the here also when we activated, now I can easily run the code and then run the brand backend and front end both. So now cd codes maths backend. So now I am inside the backend of mathematics, that particular code. So now I can run it uvcon main app dot reload. So this one you have to run. So your backend will be start. So it's going to start. It started, right, your backend. So now go to the front end. CD here also same directory you have to go. Front end. I am now inside the front end. So now I'm going to run this Streamlit run app.ui. So now the front end is ready and it's running, right? Here I have given one example. So that one also you can use it for. So if you start solve this code, solve this mathematics, it's going to solve the maths. Look at here. It's given the answer, right? So now let me write something else. So if I use everything it's explained all the steps, right? How you're going to solve this. So and also given the solution answer after simplifying the, math. So on this also you can use like 2x plus 3, x minus 4. So here let me show you how the distributive property is using here to solve this code mathematics. Here you can see. So here it's giving the answer, right? Like look here, I have mentioned that distributive law it's going to use, you know. So all the solution, if you want to add any kind of, mathematics you want to solve it out. So using this simple app, you can solve this. You can make it and you give it to your child, then they can use it easily, right? To solve the mathematical problem. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I'll come with some other small apps using Python, FastAPI, and OpenAI. So thank you very much. Bye bye. See you.